Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many Windows users might encounter. Have you ever found yourself scratching your head when trying to change directories in command prompt and feeling like you're going in circles? Well, you're not alone. Let's dive into the problem at hand. So, here's the solution to your directory dilemma. When you type cd/h in command prompt, it sets the current directory for the H drive, but doesn't actually change you to that directory. The trick here is to simply enter the drive letter followed by a colon, for example, H, to switch to the current directory for that drive. And to take it a step further, you can also use cd/h to swiftly change to the drive right away. It's a simple fix that can save you time and avoid confusion. In summary, changing directories in command prompt can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with how it works. Remember, when setting the current directory for a specific drive, just enter the drive letter to switch to that drive's directory. It's a small adjustment that can make a big difference in your command line navigation. I hope this solution helps you out with your directory woes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy navigating!